Hello, this is Buono, and today I'd like to talk about tips for getting parts. So, as I explained in the last video, there are the options to purchase electric parts. One is offline and one is online. Yeah. And then, you can buy from these shops, but please note that there are few chips. There are several chips to buy electric parts more cheaper or more reasonable. I'd like to talk about that point in this video. So please watch the movie until the end. So today I'd like to talk about these four tips: buy starter kit and buy parts together at once, and use a substitution and pick from junk. Okay, let me talk one by one. And as before starting, please remember. So these are basic tips, and these are advanced tips. Okay, so let's start from number one, starter kit. It's for starter kit. So these are in the world. So there are many starter kits for beginners. I love Amazon starter kit very much at most, because in Amazon we can find various starter kit like this one. All of them I like this Lego starter kit at most, because this is this starter kit includes various necessity items, and it's very cheap. We can buy these all parts under $40. It's very cheap, and the evaluation, the star is not good, not bad. Okay. So if you don't have any plan, if you don't any idea which items you should buy, which item I should buy. So if you are that situation, I recommend you to buy this one as the first starter kit. Of course, this includes the microcontroller and some input sensors and output devices like a motor. So you can compose input and calculation port and output port, and then you can achieve some goals, and you can achieve something by only this starter kit. Okay. And the next tip is shipping fee. So unfortunately, almost every online shop needs a shipping fee except for Amazon Prime. So but there are many online shops, DJkey and other components and etc. These shops need shipping fee around $10. Okay. Then please note this shipping fee. Then I recommend you to buy together at once to be lower the shipping fee or a zero fee. Then I don't remember the exact value, but almost all online shop have a limitation, limitation or the free of charge line, paid line and free of charge line, paid shipping fee line, and shipping fee line and free of charge line. So So I don't remember. So, but around $40 or $50, you can buy over $40 or $50. The shipping fee becomes free, or even you don't reach that limitation, but if you buy these electric parts all together at once, so the shipping fee per parts becomes low. So I recommend you or buy together at once. Yeah, do you understand what I mean? Okay. Then next, from this one, the advanced tips. The one is substitution. There are many parts that have very similar specification, very similar. So let me give you an example. This is an NPN transistor example. So please imagine. So you can you'd like to buy a 2SG1815 transistor, but the online shop you are using don't have these parts. It's out of stock. So in that case, you can have another choice as a substitution. Okay. So, for example, the SG2712 blah blah or KTC31 blah blah. These parts have almost the same specification as the SG1815. So you can choose. You can find. If you find these parts, you can buy it as a substitution of this part. Of course, the shape is not the same, and the specification, the exact strictly speaking, the similar the specification is not exactly same, but roughly speaking, it's almost same. So, but please note that sometimes the difference is very big. For example, this one and this one is from the specific point of view, function point of view, it's almost same. But this chip component, SMD components, the power limitation is very lower than this discrete type electric parts. And this is an on-off switch example. Please imagine, so you can direct buy this one, but the shop is out of stock. In that case, you can buy this one or this one as a substitution. It's almost same. Okay. And please note that in this case, the foot shape is not same. So if you buy this one or this one, you should connect by electric wiring by using the soldering and so on. Okay, it depends on the shape. Okay, finally, let me show you the jank. The picking parts from jank. You can get electric parts from the jank after disassembling. So jank. So we can get jank products in very lower price than the actual product. Actual product that is working very well. And I live the place that is located near Akihabara. Then so Akihabara is junk paradise. Let's say it's junk paradise. We can find very many junk stores and junk products right here. So it's like a paradise for junk or geek. So And if you are lucky, so you can find the electrical key components from these products. But you need, of course, disassembling skill. Okay, so let me summarize today's video. So I talked to you some tips for getting parts. And one is basic is here, as buy a starter kit or buy parts kit at once. Or for if you are a geek or advanced player, the user substitution or pick from Jack should be a good choice to getting parts. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye. On this channel, I post videos that explain the essential knowledge and tools that electronics beginners should acquire. You can learn these basics from scratch. If you're just starting with electronics projects, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I also welcome your comment on the good button on this video. Wishing you a wonderful experience with your electronics projects.
Thank you.